Good morning, fifth graders. I'm so excited today because we get to introduce the new project. I'm really looking forward to seeing your ideas. Today we're going to get a big overview of our project, and then we're going to break it down and do individual parts following the engineering design process as we go. I'm going to go ahead and start by sharing my screen with you so you can get a look at some information here. So again, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going over your project, so an introduction to your final project for this unit. You know that you've already been researching rockets. You've been researching some problems that we're having in space, like orbital debris. So with this project, you're going to have to use all that knowledge to make your own rocket. So here, I've copied and pasted some of your engineering design notebook. But here is the problem. NASA needs your help. They have realized how much orbital debris there is in the atmosphere or in orbit around Earth, and they need you to design a rocket that includes a mechanism to help clean up that debris. And they need you to make a model of that rocket at home. All right, so your criteria or the requirements for this project is that you need to design and create a model of rocket that launches. We'll talk more about potential materials, designs, and things like that as we go, but you also researched that yesterday, so hopefully you have a good idea. And then you need to design and create a model of a mechanism to clean up orbital debris. So something in your rocket has to be able to clean up orbital debris, and I'm going to leave you have complete creativity to take that however you would like. Your constraints or the limitations on this project is that it is due on May 12th. And then for materials and size, both of these constraints just have to do with the grown-ups at your home. So make sure that you are constantly checking with the adults at your home and all the materials that you're using, the size it is, make sure that everything is okay by those adults. All right, and then as you know, just like a scientist doesn't just snap their fingers and make a discovery, they use the scientific method to make a discovery, and a writer doesn't poof, make the perfect story. They use the writing process. They brainstorm ideas and make a rough draft and make edits. It is similar for us as engineers. We are going to be using the engineering design process to help us with this big problem. Sometimes with a big problem, it helps to break it up into smaller chunks. And so that's what we're going to be doing with this project. Today, we're going to start with identifying the problem and brainstorming. And then next week, we'll move into the design and then the building stage as well. So I'm really looking forward to this project. I can't wait to see your creativity. I can't wait to see everybody have a growth mindset in this project. You're going to have to show some perseverance. We're going to have to know that things may not go right the first time and learn from those mistakes as we go. But those are all things that you've had lots of practice in, and I'm really excited to see you problem solve, to see you persevere, and then to see your final rockets. All right, thank you.